Welcome. In front of me I have Smart TU 8000 82 inches Smart TV, and I'm going to show you how you can set the date and the time settings. So at the first we have to grab our remote controller and click right here. Next we have to use arrows to move for the settings, and right now let's go for the general and enter System Manager. Right now tap on the time, click on the clock and tap on the clock mode and switch it to the manually. And as you can see right now we are able to set the date manually by changing the settings, and also the same for the time settings. You can change hours and the minutes, and that's all. Of course you can leave it to set automatically, but if you want to set manually you have to make it like that. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!